And after Tripura Chief Minister announced that he would be holding a public darbar in Agartala on 13 December to ask the people whether or not they want him to continue as the Chief Minister, BJP Observer urged him to stay on, promising him that the party would resolve all internal differences. Biplab Deb's announcement comes after he recently faced renewed opposition from party workers during the visit of New State BJP Observer to Tripura. Here are all the details.
All is not well within the BJP in Tripura, as Chief Minister Biplab Deb now faces a revolt from within. After a group of party workers reportedly raised Biplab Hatao BJP Bachao slogans after newly elected observer of Tripura Vinod Sonkar's visit to the state. Biplab Deb announced that he will go to Vivekananda Maidan in Agartala on December 13th to ask the people whether or not he should continue serving them. Sonkar said that both he and Chief Minister Deb spoke to National BJP President JP Nadda. Stating that the function was not necessary, he said Deb should continue as Chief Minister and the party would resolve all internal differences.
देखिए, इस संदर्भ में मेरे द्वारा माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी से वार्ता की गई है और त्रिपुरा के मुख्यमंत्री जी के द्वारा भी माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी से संपर्क करके वार्ता की गई है और इस तरह के किसी कार्यक्रम करने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है। मुख्यमंत्री जी त्रिपुरा की जनता की सेवा करें, अगर कोई विषय है तो संगठन उसको स्वयं संज्ञान लेके उसको देखेगा।
This is not the first time Deb faced opposition from party members. On October 13th, disgruntled BJP MLAs from Tripura met Nadda to highlight their grievances against Deb. BJP stormed to power in Tripura after dethroning Manik Sarkar government in 2018 assembly elections. In the ruling coalition of the 60-member Tripura Assembly, BJP has 36 MLAs and 8 of the indigenous People's Front of Tripura.
With the dissidents brewing up against Tripura's Chief Minister Biplab Deb and many of his own party leaders demanding his removal, Biplab Deb on Tuesday said that he is ready to accept any verdict given by the people of the state. In a press conference, Biplab Deb said that he had taken over the state after a misrule of 40 years and it took time for him to bring things under order. He said that on 13th of December he will meet the people of Tripura at the Stable Maidan in Agartala, and if the people decide that he should step down as a Chief Minister, he is ready to go for it.
Faced with rising discontent among party workers, the big question is, can Biplab Deb keep his flock together? Bureau Report, Republic TV.